Hi, I'm Constantin from Eventee, and I will show you how to deliver the best experience for your attendees using our beautiful platform. Let's get started. What do I have here? So I have opened the administration where you will be creating the event. I have here the application, okay, that will be the point of view of the attendee. And also I have here opened the web version that we provide for your event. Okay, so administration. When you as a admin, as a organizer of the event, sign up with Eventee, you will get here. First thing, to create the content. One of the first things, which is the schedule, the speakers, workshops, custom menu, partners. We will see what custom menu means because it's so cool. So you will have it empty, of course. You first thing will have to create a stage. You can call it hall or room, wherever you want to call it. Add the name, URL stream in case it will be a virtual event, and that's it. I've created 3 halls for me right here: main hall, conference hall, and workshop hall. You can create as many halls as you want. So once you create all of the halls, you just select a time frame in one of them, click, and fill out all of this information. Pretty easy. Let's take a look at one that is already created, like this one right here, for example. So what do we have here? First of all, name of the session, easy. Second thing, whether it's a lecture, a workshop, or a break. The main difference between a lecture and a workshop is that when I click on workshop here, I have the capacity. I can add capacity for my workshop, so then I can keep track of all of the people that are subscribing to my workshop. Okay. What else? Let's go back to lecture. We've already selected the time frame and the hall. You can add tracks for the attendees. This is so helpful when you have like a lot of sessions. When you have 30 sessions in the event, for example, you want to make it easier for the attendee to filter the sessions that interest him the most. Like here, for example, I added those filters. So when me as an attendee, I go to the agenda. This is the first thing. Okay, I'm seeing a lot of sessions. So I can click right here, and these are all of the tracks that I've added right here. So I can filter. I don't know. I just want to see business, marketing, and yeah, that's it. Business, marketing, and sales. So now my agenda has filtered all of the sessions, and now I'm seeing the sessions that interest me the most. What else can we do here in the agenda now that we are here? If I'm seeing, for example, like this session, how to involve natural principles in leadership. Oh, I'm interested in that session. I don't want to miss it. What can I do? I can click on it and slide it to the heart right here. If I slide it to the heart, I just add it to my own agenda. I'm creating my own agenda. If I click here in my agenda, by the way, I'm screen mirroring from my phone. Okay, that's how you see everything that I'm doing right here. Here I have my own agenda. What means that before, a couple of minutes before all of those sessions that I've added for my own, I will receive a push notification that, hey, Constantin, this session is about to start. Make sure you are prepared. So you won't miss a thing. Okay, cool. Let's keep going here in creating the session. Okay, tracks. Then you will be able to add the speakers. All of the speakers, I have them right here. The speakers, we will be creating them in the next step, which is speakers right here. Okay, description of the session. Okay, and now here to set the event as virtual event. Okay, pretty important. How do we set this session as a virtual session? Okay, first thing you will need to keep in mind is to go to the settings before scheduling, like before making the session virtual. You will go to the settings. You will go to features right here, and you will make sure that virtual event is allowing virtual, like it's turned on. Okay, cool. Once you have that, you go back and you will have the ability to place links right here. Then you will have virtual events, and you will have 2 type of links you can place right here and here. The first one, first place, will be for the streaming or pre-recorded video. Okay, we do support with Eventee. We are integrated with Facebook Live, YouTube, Vimeo, and Twitch, like the main 4 platforms to stream. If you are streaming with one of those 4 platforms, you will have it within the app. You will have it integrated within the app. That means that it won't be another link that will redirect the attendee or the user to another platform. Okay, let's see how it looks. Let me put again all of the tick. So we were taking a look at this session. If I click in this session, here will be the streaming. Of course, it's empty because now I'm not streaming, but it will be here within the app. It's the same for the web version. Okay, I come to the web version, and here is the agenda. This is the session, and here will be the streaming or the pre-recorded video. Okay, how does it look like a pre-recorded video? I have a pre-recorded video in this session where I'm the speaker. So I've added a pre-recorded video from YouTube, as we are integrated with YouTube. Then you will have it within the app. You just click here as an attendee, click, and here's the video. Click, play the video, everything. Okay. Oh, stop the video. The same in the web version. Okay. Here is pre-recorded video. Then we have questions and polls, a newsfeed, more things that we will see in next steps. Cool. Now, this is for the first type of links. For the second type of link, which is this place right here, here you will add a link like more suitable for a interactive session where you will want your attendees that are seeing that session to interact with one another. This is perfect for a workshop, for example. Okay, so what type of link? Like from Google Meet, Zoom, Google Hangouts, Microsoft Teams for breakout sessions. If you are using another platform like Wonder for breakout sessions, you can use this type of link and it will appear as a button. Okay, like in this session, for example, I have a pre-recorded video and a Google Meet link. So when me as an attendee, I'm going here to the session. Okay, pre-recorded video, more things that we will see in the future, and join Google Meet. Okay, so click join Google Meet. It will redirect you to the, hey, okay, this is me. And you will go to the session. Cool. And if you click advanced, you will be able to upload more PDF presentations with more information related to the session for the attendees that they can download or whatever. Okay. This is how you create a session. On the schedule, basically, you will do that with all of the schedule. There's no more mystery right here. You will have here all of the days from your event. If it will take place like more than one day, you will have that right here. So this is for the schedule. Now, next step would be to create the speakers. How do you create a speaker? Pretty easy. Just click add speaker and fill out all of that information right here. Let's take a look, as always, at one that it's already created, like Amanda Seyfield, picture, first name, last name, company, position, a lot, description, email, social networks, phone number, country, everything. Why is that important? Or even the email. Why is it important to upload the email or the social networks of the speaker? Because when me as an attendee, I'm taking a look at one session, for example, this one, and I see, wow, this guy Ross, he is rocking. I would like to send him an email. I would like to meet him or something like that. Okay, you just click on Ross, and here's all of the information that I've uploaded right here for you for the attendee. So I have his Facebook, I have his LinkedIn, I have his email. If I click on the email, I will be redirected to email to send him an email. If I click to LinkedIn, I will be redirected to LinkedIn. Okay, well, page not found because Ross doesn't exist. Okay, description, country, everything. Cool. This is easy to upload all of the speakers. Now, well, let's take a look how it will be on the web version. For example, if I go down, no. Here are all of the speakers. Okay, in the web version, you will have a specific part of the web when they will be just dedicated to the speakers. So here's Ross. Okay, here it's me. Well, okay, everything. Cool. What else do we have here? Next, workshops. This is basically a list of all of the workshops that you are creating. Okay, you create them on the schedule like I did here on my workshop hall, and then they will automatically appear here. Why? Because here you will be able to have like a track of the occupancy in this case. Okay, I allowed 30 persons in these workshops and 3 already booked a place. If I click, I can see who will be attending my workshop. Okay, here are the people. Cool. Next thing, custom menu. I said I like custom menu because here you can upload unlimited information, everything for the attendees. So things like Eventee presentation, PDF presentations, links to surveys, in this case, indoor map. Let's take a look. Texts, personalized text, links to surveys, to social medias, everything, maps, PDF presentations about the event, about the companies, about the sponsors, everything. Now, if I go to the application, okay, out, and I click more as an attendee, I click here more and go, these are the partners, we will get to that next thing. And here is the thing, the unlimited information that I can upload for them. Like event presentation, pack PDF presentation for them. As many presentations as you want, you can upload. SurveyMonkey, you can ask them for feedback. Here is, okay, you won't have to send them an email to ask them for feedback. That is so unproductive. Indoor map, back right here, okay, and so on. Next thing will be partners. So, basically, one thing before showing the partners, as you can see, all of the companies right here, Bright, Meeting, Google, Tito, Zapier, MailChimp, these are platforms or companies we are integrated with. So if you are selling your tickets through Eventbrite, it will be integrated with Eventee. So everyone who buys a ticket will automatically receive the invitation to Eventee. You can import your emails from MailChimp, you can play with Zapier, everything, okay? So to create a partner, here's everything you can upload about that partner. Logos, whether it's a sponsor, exhibitor, email, phone number, address, images, texts, I've uploaded a lot of things to make it as complete as possible for you so you can see it, but here is everything you can upload for them, even buttons, text blocks, images. So when you as an attendee are looking for the partners, you click here on Eventbrite, for example, and here's how you will see. Okay, I've uploaded it for you here, and here's how you will see it as a attendee. Okay, also buttons. Here I have a button pack. Okay, so it will redirect me to, in this case, to the blog of Eventee. Okay, cool. Let's move on. Well, in the web version, you will see the partners like this. They will have their specific part on the web. Okay, like this. Basically, we try to make it as similar as possible to the application. Cool. This is for the content, if I'm not wrong. Yes, this is all of the content. Now let's move to the engagement. I love engagement. Why? Because of this, because of the newsfeed. Basically, okay, now we go to the news on the application. Cool. Let's delete this. Engagement. You will have 3 ways to interact with your attendees: with the newsfeed, sending them push notifications, social networks, and famous questions and pops. Okay, so you won't have to pay for Slido or things like that. Now, newsfeed. You can send them title, description, upload image or GIF like this right here. Pretty cool. But a thing that you don't see right here is that you can send them push notifications even before, during, and after the event. Okay, if you publish your event a week before it starts, and you also are inviting your attendees before the event starts, you can send them push notifications even when the event didn't start. Okay, so you can prepare them, send them some, I don't know, news or things like that. Also, you can send them notifications after the event, okay, because all of your data of your event will be stored in Eventee, and it will be available during 12 months. Okay, so you can upload then pre-recorded videos or the sessions that you've streamed. You can then upload them to Eventee so anyone can come back to the event and see it again. So you can still send them push notifications there to attend another events. For example, hey, don't forget we have another event on, I don't know, just an example. Let's take a look at how it looks, the push notification. I will just copy and paste, okay? Back to make it easier and faster. Copy, paste, text, block, okay. As I said, you can upload a image, a GIF. You can schedule the notifications, okay? If I know I will have to send those notifications in the next 2 days of the event, you can just schedule it right here and forget about it. So send, and here will be push notification. Okay, so I won't miss a thing. Cool. You can also, as an attendee, give like to the notifications, dislike. You will have some metrics here, like the number of views, everything. Cool. I love newsfeed. Now, social networks. We are integrated also with Twitter and Instagram. So if you add here, for example, on Twitter, this hashtag leadership, and on Instagram, this hashtag Eventee, this is my example. Okay, you can add more hashtags right here, different related to your event. Now, everyone who is posting something on Twitter or on Instagram, you will be able as an attendee to see it in the application. Okay, if you want to see something related to the event, hey, I want to see the tweets from Twitter related to this event. Cool. You just go to this hashtag right here, hashtag leadership, click, and here are all of the tweets from Twitter with this hashtag. Okay, remember the hashtags has to be related to the event, so it will make sense. Okay, the same with the Instagram loading. Okay, here is it. Cool. Now, questions and polls, the famous questions and polls. The first thing that we have right here, it's a list. This is a list of all of the sessions that I've already created here on the agenda, okay? And now I have all of the sessions right here, and per session, I can allow questions, I can allow poll, none of them, both of them, depending on the session, okay? Let's take a look at this one, for example. So, questions. When an attendee wants to make a question through the application because he doesn't want to make a question like speaking, he's shy, or it's a virtual event, so you can just make questions through the app or the web version. You go to the session, which this one is Become a True Leader, which is this one. Okay, me as an attendee, I'm seeing the session, I like it, and I can ask a question. So I come here, questions, and here I type the question. How can I don't know, something random. So when I click send, back, it automatically appears right here, automatically. And now, should I approve it or not? Depending if it's not an appropriate question, I cannot approve it or allow it, okay? This is the button. If you click automatically approve, automatically all of the questions will be approved automatically with your supervision, okay? It depends on you. Cool. So you can also upvote questions back. If I will make the same questions that it's already being made, I can upvote it. Okay, as you have it right here. Cool. This is for the question, pretty easy. As for the polls, it is so easy to create a poll. Okay, I still have a poll right here, and to create a poll, you just let's start polling right here, for example. You just see, and it disappeared. Start polling. Here it is. But to create a poll, just click create a new poll. You just add the question. It's so easy. You just add the question. Back. I'm just copying and pasting to make it faster, easier. And then the multiple answers. Okay, multiple different answers. Click create, and it will appear as a new poll right here for them. Okay, see, there is it. Back. In 1 second, I just created a poll for my attendees. Okay, vote, for example. Okay, so here's the vote. Cool. This is for the questions and polls. You can also project them on full screen, not things like that. So, what else? Users, how to invite everyone, how to invite all the people. It's so easy. You just come to users and click invite, and you have 3 different roles that we've created for you, which are attendees. I think there's no need of explanation who is an attendee. Then moderator. To invite a moderator, that means that you are inviting someone that will have access just to the engagement. Okay, the moderators, they have access just to the newsfeed, social networks, and questions and polls, nothing else. And you can invite someone as a admin. That basically means that that person will be creating the event with you. He or she will have access to everything, so you can create the event together. You just come here, drop a CSV format or a format with all of the emails, or you just copy and paste all of the emails right here, click invite, well, admin in this case, attendees in this case, and they will receive a invitation on their email with a link, one link, which is called magic link. Why? Because when they receive that link, if they are opening that email, that invitation from their phone, it will redirect them to the application, to the mobile application. If they are opening it from the laptop, they will be redirected to the web version. Okay, so just with one link, they will be redirected to the app or to the web version. So there is no need to send them two type of links in case it's a hybrid event, for example. Okay, now if I go to dashboard, you also have a QR code. Okay, we have a QR code right here for you for your event. So you can also download it, share it with your attendees, print it on the flyers so everyone will have the QR code with them so they can join the app. It's so easy. Okay, if you have the application right here and I click preview, they just scan the QR code like this and they will be redirected to the application, to the event, directly. If they don't have the application, they can do it with their camera from their mobile and they will be redirected to download the application and then to the event. Easy. And also you can copy this magic link and paste it on your own emails. If you want to personalize your emails to send them invitation, copy the link, paste it there, and that's it. Cool. Next thing, settings. Settings. First things on settings will be features. This is basically depending on your use case, okay, on your type of event. You can allow or not a newsfeed, you can allow or not virtual event. On networking, here, if you click manage, you will be able to create rooms for networking. We will get to networking right now because I love it. Whereas tracks, we've seen them when you create a session, you can create those tracks to make it easier for them to navigate through the sessions. Pin code, if you want to set the event private, you click here and you will get a pin code that you can share with the attendees. So you will make your event private. Just with that pin code, they will be able to access the event. Allow list. Allow list means that just the people that got invited by you can enter the event. There won't be anonymous users or users that you didn't invite. Okay. Hide ratings, hide anonymous users, and public API we have. The ratings, I think you didn't see it. When you go to a session and you go down below here, you have the possibility to add ratings, okay? 5 stars, comment, everything. And then you will have analytics from those ratings, okay? So it's important to encourage your attendees to rate all of the sessions. You can do that easily with the newsfeed, with the push notifications. Okay, branding. It's incredibly easy to brand your event. If you go to the branding, and you just upload your logo, you click generate, and that's it. And all of the colors will automatically match your event. Let's take a look. For example, I'm organizing this event. I'm clicking here. I am uploading the Eventee logo in this case, of course, because it's my company. Back, save. Now I click generate, and all of the colors from the application and from the web version will match the colors of my logo. Okay, generate and magic. Back. Everything will match the logo. Let's take a look. I refresh the web. I refresh the application right here. And here it is. Everything is matching the logos, the colors, of Eventee. Okay. Now, if I don't like those colors, don't worry. You can still change them one by one. Okay. Pick one by one. You can also upload a banner for your app, a banner for your web. It's so easy to brand your event. Now, website. On the website, the main thing, because we've been taking a look at the website during this demo, but the main thing about the website, as you see, it's divided on sections. And one thing you should know is that you can rearrange all of the sections from the website easily. So easy. If you say, hey, I don't like the schedule to be first, I would like some video introduction first. Cool. You just come here to the website. So in about the event, I've uploaded a video, a YouTube video. Okay, here it is. So now you just slide this up, first the video, then the schedule, Then the partners, I would like to hide the partners, let's say, and I would like to show the custom menu. I don't know, and I would like the custom menu to be here. And I just rearranged that easily. I just rearranged the website as I wanted. Okay, so easily just refresh the website, and now I should have the video first thing and then the schedule. Yes, here is video presentation, then schedule, then partner, speakers, if I'm not wrong, custom menu, everything. Okay, cool. I really like that because it's so easy to rearrange your website like you want. Next thing, integrations. I showed you our integrations right here when I was talking about the sponsors. Okay, Simple Ticket, Eventbrite, Go, Titos, Zapier, and MailChimp. If you work with one of those platforms, you are welcome to integrate it with Eventee and make your work easier. Cool. In general, this is basically normal settings. There is no need of explanation right here. Now I will go to the dashboard, and then I will finish with networking. On dashboard, basically you can see all of the numbers of your event. Okay, here's a big overview. We've just taken a look at the magic link, the QR code. Okay, now we will let you know if you are missing something to create. If you are not creating questions and polls, we will send you a notification like, hey, create questions and polls. So you will use the 100% of Eventee. Basic numbers, latest ratings, latest feeds, more numbers. This is basically to make you take the best decisions for future events. Like right here, if I go to analytics, here I have more numbers. App users, posts, impressions, this percentage of people who saw your posts that you send them. But one number that I really like is this one. This is the average rating. This is the average rating of all of your sessions. That's why I said that it's important to rate all of the sessions, because then you'll have this number, which is pretty good in my case. So you will have like a rating of all of your sessions just with this number for you. So you can see if you succeeded. Now, if I want some insights of the sessions individually, I still have them right here. Like how many users have added this session to their own agenda, how many comments, ratings, average rating, like this one. And if I see some sessions that they succeeded a lot, maybe I should take the decision to invite this speaker again to future events. Wherever decision will make the best events in the future. And also some numbers about the networking, who joined the networking, number of connections, number of messages. So maybe I can promote more the networking in the future events. Now to finish with the networking here in the app, I think I've covered everything, but I didn't cover the networking, which is one of the best things that we have. That's where I left everything, the best thing for the final, for the end of the demo. So when you sign up in the application and you want to go to networking, you come here, and first thing you will have to create your profile. Okay, that means, so I have my profile right here, a picture of you and your name, company, position, email, description of you. Why is that? Because we don't provide a networking that it's just a list of all of the attendees and then you just see just names and that's it, nothing else. We provide you with a description of each people that you want to meet before you want to have a meeting with that people or not. What I mean is you come here, you created your profile, cool. So click right here and you will have here all of the people that they joined the networking. So I see, hey, this is Hey Yen Long. He's an HR manager in this company and this is the description about her. Am I interested in meeting this person? Okay, I slide right. I am not interested in meeting this person. I slide left. And that's it. And I do that with all of the profiles or users that join the networking. Now, that is step one. Step two, you have a match with someone. That means you both want to interact with one another, want to meet with one another. So they will appear right here as I had a match with Barbara in this case. Click. This is beautiful. You can have a chat within the app. You can have a meeting, invite her for a meeting within the app, but this is the best thing. You can have a video call within the app. This is awesome because everything will be right here. You don't have to set up a meeting in another platform. and then invite to switch to another platform to have a meeting. You don't have to exchange your personal number to have a call with that person. Okay, everything will be here. Cool. I think that's all. I think I covered everything. Of course, you have your own use case, your specific event with your specific questions. So now it's your turn to get back to me, to tell me your questions so I can help you with your specific question. It was a pleasure making this video for you. Ciao. Have a nice day.